In today's world, where lifestyle diseases, sports injuries, road accidents, and post-surgical recovery cases are increasing, physiotherapy has become an essential part of healthcare. One of the most popular and future-focused courses in this field is the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT.
If you are looking to build a stable, meaningful, and respected healthcare career, enrolling in BPT course can be an excellent choice.
The Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT, is a comprehensive undergraduate program designed to prepare students for a successful career in the growing healthcare sector. This course focuses on developing strong knowledge of human anatomy, movement science, and rehabilitation techniques to help patients recover from injury, illness, or disability. Career College, Autonomous, Bhopal is a trusted name in education with decades of excellence. Choosing a Bachelor of Physiotherapy in Bhopal at Career College offers
modern infrastructure, experienced faculty, parent hospital advantage, CIMS Career Hospital Bhopal, where students practice in the physiotherapy department under expert supervision.
If you wish to build a future where knowledge meets compassion and skill meets opportunity, Career College, Autonomous, Bhopal is the right choice.